Welcome, one and all. This week's game, we have the Chiefs taking on the Giants. For the Giants, we have Manny preparing the scoreboard.
Hello.
Josh,
Good evening.
repping the Chiefs. Let's go in and meet the teams. For the Giants, we have Bigfoot, Crusher with the banana tires, and Bounty Hunter. For the Chiefs, Iron Warrior, Pickle, and American Guardian. Time to flip for ball. Got the paper football. Here's laces. Call it in the air, Josh. Laces or spaces? Laces it is. Josh?
I like to receive.
Chiefs ball. 5-minute quarters with a running clock. We start the first quarter. Giants on defense. Chiefs ball.
Ready, go.
Pickle. Oh, Pickle's hit. Stopped at the 30.
Ready, go.
Pickle. Oh, Pickle's hit. 3 minutes and 55 seconds on the clock. Man, over a minute for a play. Giants ball.
Ready, go. Ready, go.
Bigfoot.
Ready, go. Ready, go.
Bigfoot. Bigfoot walks it in there for the score. Nice run. Giants strike first. 6-0. Giants going for 2. Oh,
man.
Bigfoot stopped this time.
Woo.
Score is 6-0. 2 minutes and 21 seconds on the clock. Chiefs ball.
Ready, go.
Pickle. Pickle with a move.
Ready, go.
Pickle. Pickle with a move. Nice. Touchdown, Chiefs. All right. We got a game, boys. 6-6. Chiefs going for 2.
Huzzah!
Here comes Pickle
No!
with the move.
Huzzah!
No! With the move.
No!
2 points are good. Chiefs go up 2. 8-6. Under a minute in the first quarter already. Chiefs on defense. Giants ball.
Downside height. Downside height.
Crusher with the banana tires. Oh, he's hit. He dives for it.
No. Downside height.
Crusher with the banana. Oh, he's hit. He dives for it.
Nope.
Loses the ball.
Field goal.
Oh, good call. Oh, Crusher, you got to put the ball the other way. Did he lose his helmet, Matty? Gonna pick him up. Oh, he's still got it on there. You're lucky. Giants set up for what looks to be a 3-yard field goal. He's gonna start the clock. 22 seconds. Picks up. It's good. Nice kick. Picks up. It's good. Josh, didn't work. Josh.
You nailed it.
Look at that. Time ran out in the first quarter. Not before the Giants kicked their field goal. Score at the end of the first. 9-8. The Giants lead it. Be back right after this. Back to start the second quarter. Score is 9-8. Giants on D. Chiefs ball.
Ready, go.
Oh, American
yeah.
Guardian gets stopped, or stops himself, I should say.
Ready, go.
Oh, American
yeah.
Guardian carrying it too far on the hip. Score remains 8-9. 3 minutes and 36 seconds on the clock. Giants ball.
Down, set, height.
Comes Crusher. Oh, Crusher with a move.
Down, set, height.
Comes Crusher. Oh, Crusher with a move. Goes over there to say what's up to Sarge. 15-8. Man, this is looking pretty nasty. Giants going for 2.
Pretty good.
Crusher. Oh, what'd he do there?
Pretty good.
Oh! Ran it out of bounds at the 15. No good. 15-8. Minute 36 remaining in the first half. Giants on D. Chiefs not ready.
What are you talking about?
Oh, he's trying some fancy. There he goes. Look at that run! Oh, touchdown! Trying some fancy. There he goes. Look at that run! Oh, touchdown! Beautiful run, Josh. That's what you call running behind your blocker. Chiefs with the play of the game so far. Man. One-point game. So grody. Chiefs going for 2. Pickle's got a problem. Oh,
I don't think he
Pickle.
was in.
I don't think he was in.
Yeah, he wasn't.
Got to go to review. Pickle's got a problem.
After further review, no good.
Score remains 14-15. Giants ball. I'm not saying anything.
Pretty good.
Crusher. Oh, Crusher's crushed.
Pretty good.
Oh, Crusher's crushed.
Come here, wiggle. Come here, wiggle.
He gets,
Timeout.
man, he gets pushed.
Dude, I landed on a monster truck too.
Oh, he's down. Down for the count. We don't have the ambulances out.
I was trying to stop you so I could get the timeout. You should get a fine for that.
What were you calling timeout for, Manny?
Oh.
To give him another play?
No, to get the field goal.
Oh, didn't you already kick your field goal?
In the first quarter?
It was the second quarter you called timeout.
No, I did it.
Yeah, man.
It was the first quarter, so you do have a field goal. All right. Who is that, Josh?
American
Bigfoot?
Guardian.
American Guardian? You might have a bent wheel now.
Yeah. Oh, yep, he does. Wait.
Fix his tire.
Oh, he's good. Nope. Nope, he damaged like 3 of the wheels.
Well, 225 came down on that thing.
Yeah.
So you're going to start the clock with one hand.
Yes, that I've done before.
Okay. Oh, no good. Oh, no good.
I hit my wheel.
It's tough to do 2 things at once. How many?
Dad, I made it before.
That's a $50 fine for intentionally hurting my guy,
What do you do?
bending a wheel.
I landed on
Nope,
it.
nope, no
What do you
$50
mean?
fine. He
You should
Didn't
get a
you
fine
push
for
him?
pushing me.
I didn't push him.
Yeah, you
I
did.
gave him a love tap.
I think it's on camera.
That's the end of the first half, guys. We'll be back with halftime right after this. Welcome back to the halftime show. Manny taking on Josh in a game of checkers.
Terrible checkers.
Well, we'll see who the Mississippi State Bulldogs are playing. My guess would be
Ole Miss.
Ole Miss. Get them set up. You guys aren't supposed to put your face mask on until you. That's kind of like king me, I guess. But you know what? We're going to do it a little bit differently. We're going to play this just like checkers. Here's a refresh, since not all of us play checkers all the time. You can only move diagonally on the green field. So right now you can only move 1 space forward, right? If a guy gets within 1 space of you, you can jump him if there's a clearing behind him. Josh, move your guy forward. Manny, move your guy forward in front of him. Now, Josh, you can jump him, but you're going to get jumped. So take that helmet off that you jumped. Now, Manny, you could jump him. So you're trying to set your opponent up each time so that you could jump him, but you want to get in the clear if possible. And if the guy sets up for a double jump, you can double jump him. Now, once you get all the way to your opponent's touchdown line, in this case, we're going to call it, you're going to stack 2 helmets on your guy, and that's going to be like King Me. And then you can move back and forth. Right now, you can only move forward. Hey, let the game begin.
It was echoing.
That was loud. Hey, good block, man. You can't jump him either. So you got to move one of your other guys, Josh. It's all strategy. You can move one of your other guys, Josh. There you go. Oh, now what's going to happen? Oh, double jump. Josh gets 2 helmets. Man, he didn't even see it coming. Yep, jumped him. Yep, you can't jump. Can't move. A bunch of strategy now, but the action's getting ready to heat up. Since you can only move forward, somebody's going to have to engage. Uh-oh. Boom, boom. And king yourself. There you go. You get to take that. Now you got a double helmet that can move all over the place. It can't move. It's still got to stay on the green field, but you can move it back and forth.
Go on. Dude.
Better start moving, man. You get away from that guy because he's going to start jumping your guys. Oh, here comes a double jump. Oh, no, double jump. King him.
Put it on. Go. You can't go back.
You can't go back, but you can go forward. But you're going to get jumped either way.
Hold on a second.
Just want to put yourself to where you don't get double jumped. Boom. Take that one away.
Go.
You don't want to start moving your king, Manny?
Not really, because well, he can't
Yeah,
go
he
back.
can't go back. So you got to pursue him. Now he's got 2 kings on the board. Boom. Good one. Nice. You don't get re-king, so
I know.
you only got one move, Manny, with those. So you got to do one of your that's good because now you froze him. Well, he can move forward still. There you go. But, oh, you missed it. Okay. I gotta be quiet. I'm sure the audience watching is yelling, "Move here, move there."
Whatever. Take him.
So race to the touchdown. King him.
King me.
Another king for Josh.
Okay.
You guys better start using those kings.
All right. Go. 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 Oh, me?
Setting the trap. Oh, Josh, move right into it.
Dude.
Oh, you can't move that way, man. You gotta move. He's
Can't
still
move it.
sitting.
Oh.
Oh, Josh set him up for the double jump diagonal.
Oh, I forgot you can double jump.
I set him up for the double jump diagonal. I forgot you can double jump.
Yeah. Oh, that's on you, bud.
No, I'm not really good at this game. King me. You got taken out by a mere pawn.
Yeah, wow. Manny, setting you up. You gotta attack with your kings and defend each other. It's by staying close. I'm just over here biting my lip. Mississippi State Bulldogs, come on. Old Missus jumping at your heels here. Oh no.
Dude.
trains your brain to think steps
surrounded.
ahead. Yeah, you still got life, Manny. You got to think steps ahead now. Put yourself in a position where he's going to have to move close to you to be able to get at you, and you'll be able to jump him, but he's also going to probably set you up. It's always hardest to take out the last guy. Josh had his chance there.
Where are you going?
Wait, what do you mean?
Oh.
No, either way, he's gone.
No.
You can move nowhere.
Oh, yeah, I'm done.
Go ahead, Josh. Final blow.
Final blow.
Ole Miss wins this game.
This is...
What happened, chess player?
That's chess. This is checkers. This is...
Oh,
It worked.
You took out 2.
That was fun, guys. Back to the game right after this.
Wow.
Back to start the second half. Score is 14-15. Clock begins. Giants ball.
Down, set, hike, 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 hike.
Bigfoot. Uh-oh. Ooh, wow. Look at the distraction from Bounty Hunter while Bigfoot runs it in for the touchdown.
Down, set, hike, 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 hike.
Bigfoot. Oh, ooh, wow. That was awesome. Josh doesn't think so.
I'm not getting your ass where you push me.
what? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Dude, get them.
21-14. Giants lead. Giants going for 2.
Down, set, hike,
Man,
hike.
turns out Bigfoot's the slowest truck on the field, and
Lucky
he's got
makes
the
it.
moves.
Got 2 touchdowns.
2 points are good. Well, sometimes that patient running pays off. 23-14, Giants lead.
Oh my God, really?
No, I didn't.
Really, dude?
3 minutes and 13 seconds on the clock. Chiefs ball.
You really took the wheel off of him. You know that, right?
Manny,
I didn't.
don't use tactics. Uh-oh. Oh, no. He's hitting stuff. What was that?
I don't know.
Oh, no. He's hitting stuff. What was that?
I don't know.
With 1 over wheel.
I didn't even have the camera on you, but it didn't take me
Where'd my
long.
wheel
Wait a
go?
minute. You got no wheel.
It's there on the field.
Uh-oh.
Injury.
Lost his shoe.
Hey, when a player loses a helmet, he must sit out of play.
What about a shoe?
Doesn't matter. I see guys running without cleats sometimes.
Down to 2 minutes and 15 seconds in the third quarter. Giants ball. Seems to have problems with the equipment. Crusher.
Where'd it go?
Crusher and Bigfoot. Oh, Crusher stopped.
Where'd it go?
Crusher and Bigfoot. Oh, Crusher stopped.
She probably should give it.
Nice run, though.
Is his helmet off?
No.
I don't think so.
Stop kicking him.
He's got it.
His helmet's off!
Score remains 14-23. 1 minute and 4 seconds on the clock. Giants on D. Chiefs ball. Chiefs not feeling any sense of urgency here. Pickle. Oh, Pickle with a spin move, but he stopped. Pickle. Oh, Pickle with a spin move, but he stopped. Bounty Hunter loses a helmet. Got to sit out next play.
He's taking forever. He's running the clock down.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Ready?
4 seconds. Oh, here they come.
What are you doing?
Pressure stopped. Josh didn't get there in time.
That shouldn't
Bigfoot
even
is
count.
Well, I mean,
He
it wasn't a lot of time.
He didn't even pull his trigger. Bigfoot just went.
You did?
He didn't even pull the trigger.
False start on offense, you must use a trigger.
Yep, put 2 seconds back on the clock because we weren't quite run down yet. Probably should be 3 or 4 seconds back on the clock, but we'll put 2 back on there. Right?
Give me the ball.
You lose your play or you lose a player?
I thought
No, you lose your play, right?
That loses a player. You lose a play.
Lose the play. Chiefs getting ready. You're going to have 2 seconds to get your play off. On my mark here.
What time is it?
3, 2, 1. Here comes Pickle. Pickle with a run. Wow, what a score. Pickle with a run. Woo! Good one, Josh.
Woo!
Look at that. Chiefs make it 20. Chiefs going for 2. Josh with the run. Rally cap. Pickle dies for it. Cap. Pickle dies for it. No good. Now, rally cap doesn't always work. We'll be back right after this. Clock begins in the 4th quarter. Chiefs on defense. Giants ball.
Ready to go. Ready to go.
Comes Crusher. Yes. Crusher with the move.
Ready to go. Ready to go.
Yes. Crusher with the move. Touchdown. Man, just when Chiefs were coming back. Crusher, the banana tires, slips his way in there. Giants going for 2. Crusher. Oh no. Crusher. Oh no, what happened to Pickle?
He got in a pickle.
Oh. Good one, Josh. Josh, I wouldn't be joking. 2 minutes and 32 seconds. Chiefs ball. Pickle! Oh, Pickle dives for it. Oh, Pickle dives for
Pickle.
it.
Go right. Go right. Jeez, dude.
It's not an RC car.
I don't know. He goes straight every
Did
time.
you put him
straight.
in the left lane?
I put him in. Yeah. I put the ball to the side of him. He switches it to the middle, and it's like, what are you doing?
What about backwards?
No, I'm not putting him backwards.
Score remains 20-31. No field goal either. Even though it was a 2-minute warning, you had to call a timeout to go for the field goal. It's no good. It's no good. Were you trying to put some touch on that, Josh? What is that? What happened, Josh?
Shouldn't have lost the barrel. No, it wasn't me. Yeah.
You think the barrel made a difference?
Yeah, the barrel's like way smaller and a lot skinnier. You don't hit the barrel when you're kicking the ball. You're hitting the tires when you're kicking the ball now. What? Jeez, dude. Look,
In the pool.
you better go get it now. It's going towards
It's going into drain. Get it.
It's your ball, right? Dude.
Back from the 2-minute warning. Clock starts. Chiefs on D. Giants ball.
Ready, go.
Oh, what a move!
Ready, go.
Oh, what a move! Big foot in for the touchdown.
May I ask a question? Is there a forfeit button?
No, there is not a forfeit button. The Chiefs don't want to hear about that, Josh.
Josh is trying to close an application.
Yeah. About to rage quit.
37. Giants ball going for 2.
Ready to go.
Bigfoot with the move. Bigfoot with the move. Bigfoot, the superstar of this game. 2 points are good.
40 seconds, Josh.
39 to 20. 15, 16, 15, 14, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. He wobbles. Oh. 4. Wobbles. Oh. Out at the 10. Game over. Get the bucket. Man, I don't know what happened that game. I thought for sure Chiefs with Pickle would win it. Pickle was just a superstar. What happened, Josh?
Josh, I want to talk about it.
That's it.
I guess it just depends on what team you're playing. Pickle had everybody else's number. The Giants had his. Pickle, first one in the bucket. American Guardian slam dunked in the bucket. And last but not least, Iron Warrior with the wobbles. Great season, guys.
Bye.
That's the end of that.
See you later. Sunday.
Thing's pretty strong, huh?
Yeah.
The game goes in the books. Giants will be taking on the Ravens. Next game, we have the Patriots and the 49ers. All right, guys, looks like we made it
Sweet.
this far.